Can wear up to 200 sets. I'm delicious. Hey sis, what's this fire-roasted pig? I can't even recognize the beef I bought. Grilled skewers? My mom can't cook them well. How banded. I don't know this pig, I dare buy beef. Where are you? Call him to pick it up. Doug, remember to take Ruhua. Oh, Atlan. Expert's here. Expert needs to take it. Remember to take it. Take the beef. Set the table. Don't mess up at the big guy's place. Just handle it to avoid trouble. Come to my place to write. Fresh beef for Zhao Tong small skewers. The meat seller said Snowflake is... Zhao Tong small skewers are the tenderest when grilled. It's divided into chunks. See how many skewers 100 wen of meat makes. These sell for 1 yuan each on the market. Then cut it into small pieces. The last bit. Cut some beef fat too. Store it inside. Also cut into chunks. Last bit of fat can be skewered. Start skewering, friends. How many skewers can we make? Big brother. Sis, our spicy skewers smell so good. Even better than regular skewers. Okay, this is probably 200 skewers. 100 yuan of beef makes 200 skewers, see? Huge platter for our whole family. Cut onions for a dipping sauce. Fry ginger and onions first. Fry until golden brown. Take them out. Prepare 2 sauces. One is regular bean paste, and one is spicy sauce. Put them in the pan to stir fry. Stir fry until fragrant. Add some dried chili and chili powder. 2 types of chili. After stir frying, add spice powder. Then add water and simmer. Simmer it. Add soy sauce. It's ready to serve. Axia's small skewer soup is open. Heard we're about to eat dry. Today's beef skewers are tasty with fat, quite a lot. Calling them Zhao Tong small skewers, big skewers. Small skewers are tastier, more tender. Ready to fry. Not bad. Open wide. Wow. One more red, then take it out to taste. How to sing, not enough toothpaste. Open again. Wow, spicy skin. Grilled until golden brown. Here, tomato. Sprinkle some chili powder. Green onion. Does it look like anything? It does. They can eat now. Come eat quickly, first batch is done. Today's standard. 1 skewer per bite. Okay. Do you want this batch tender or well done? Okay. Come quickly. Put it in the middle. Also fire roasted meat. Come eat some tasty skewers. Ha, none are lean. No lean ones. Each skewer has 2 fat pieces. 3 or 4. This one's cute. This one has 123 fat pieces. You hit the jackpot. Most have two. Some have three. This one also has three. Drooling before even eating. Then eat more. You're the only one growing. Little five, tasty. Big five, good photo. Hand sore. Big chips. Tasty, right? Only missing egg. Can eat fast. Not enough salt. Uh, don't pour the last bit. Eat two skewers, hands full. Mm. Mm? I'm better grilling and eating. Take less. Just eat your fill. Enough for me. Grandma, my foot's still dripping oil. Brain, eat? Okay. Give him one more skewer. Come, you can't see. Okay. Grill some more for Dawang. Done. Dawang likes medium rare. Dawang, look at the camera and eat skewers. Ikwao, come. Hey, look, Wang Wang thief. Likes that unique feeling. You don't understand, Dawang. This has no salt. Wang Bobo, not a bit of salt. There's sauce, lots and lots. Hey, sit up, go. All right, hands. Cooperating now. Last one. Okay. Mix it evenly. Add pineapple and bake together. Wow, a whole mountain of pineapples. Oh my god. Careful, it has thorns. Go up and see. A huge mountain, all of it. I'll find the sweetest. See that? That's how pineapples grow. Just twist it off gently. This weather makes them pure sweet. Don't judge by its light look. So fragrant. First time seeing so many pineapples. Here's another one. Picking only ripe ones. Let's go. Pick less next time. Is this too much? Taste some Yulin pineapple. So good, but hard to dig. Good thing we have tools. But this tool is our invention. For pineapple prints. Wash it. Tasted it, very sour. Boil it into pineapple water. We need to cut the pineapple. After cutting, we can simmer. Cut it into small cubes. So sour. Haven't eaten it in years. Use rock sugar to simmer. Rock sugar tastes better, not white. White sugar is too hot. Add the pineapple. Pour it in. Hey. That's enough, let it cook. Look at the bridge. Smells so good. Scoop some to taste. Should be ready to eat. So tasty. Scoop it out. Freeze it. Time to chill it. Now making pineapple chicken feet. Blanch the chicken feet. Take out the shrimp first, or they'll overcook. Cut some potatoes to mix in. Had good pineapple chicken feet in puer. Auntie, listen. Slice the pineapple for mixing, then cut rounds for grilling. Chicken feet are done. Time to take them out. Cook the potatoes a bit more. Keep them crunchy. Fry the seasoning for chicken feet. Garlic and chili. Fry until fragrant. Add some oyster sauce. This is all the seasoning for half the chicken feet. Mix it in. Chili oil and fried garlic. Sesame, chili, cilantro. Add soy sauce. Mix it evenly. Let it soak for more flavor. Take a taste. What are you tasting? So good. I want pineapple grilled meat. So I bought this big piece. Beef. Track if it's good. Nye, that pineapple grilled meat, I had it in Kunming. I thought it was tasty. Pineapple makes the meat very tender. Cut this end, enough to eat. Marinate beef with Sichuan pepper, roasted flour and salt. Star anise, we lay adding oil. Makes it tender when grilled. Maybe too much. Seems a bit crowded. Then grill with pineapple. Cut some more pork. Time to marinate. Pineapple, onion, soy sauce, sesame oil. Regular spices and salt. Ground Sichuan pepper. Star anise and some chili. Different flavors. Meat all set, made a sauce. Mix it, then start grilling. Come on, come on. Plain cut. Grill the plain cut. Hurry up and eat grilled meat. Oh, the meat. Good appetite today. So much meat here. Save some for them. This is real good beef. Pineapple needs to dry. I didn't grill it. How much was this piece? 90 yuan. Let me tell you, pineapple marinated meat is tender. Eating grilled squid all day. This bamboo shoot is tasty. Got some chicken feet. Take some of this. You added more. Delicious. Screen is full. Are you zooming in? Who said you're too tasty? Grilling meat is simple. Full from shrimp at 10. So fragrant, I'm sweating from grilling. These two pieces. So satisfying. Not sitting, just standing. Eating like this. So fragrant. Really? A ping, dare you eat this? Have another piece. Mm. Hello, this essential oil. So cute. When did you buy it? Keep it away. I asked clearly now. Come, there's iced pineapple. Come buy some garlic. Sweet or not, it's tasty. Canned pineapple is like this. Block cookies and ice cream floating. Oh, good.